Inside this bag might just be the best kit ELEMIS has come out with yet. First of all, can we ooh and ah over this bag? It's that metallic light pink quilted bag. So cute. So you'll definitely use that as a travel bag or maybe your makeup bag. Inside, you get Superfood Midnight Facial. This is one of my absolute favorite night creams. And then you also get a day cream. This is the Superfood Glow Priming Moisturizer. And what I'm going to do is put one on one half of my face and one on the other half so we can see what they do instantly to your skin. And then you also get the Pro Collagen Rose Cleansing Balm. And this, let me just tell you, smells heavenly. Just like you're in a field of roses. It smells so good. So let's put it on. The first thing you're going to do is cleanse with the balm. It's an interesting cleanser if you've never used it before. So you just put some on your fingers and then just rub it into your skin. You can put it in your hand first if you want, warm it up and then apply it, or you could do the other method where you're just using your fingertips. What's really nice is that smell just instantly relaxes you as well. I'm loving it. Now you have two options from here. Well, actually you have three options. Option number one, we take a damp cloth and we remove it. That will get rid of all the dirt and grime that may be on your face. Option number two, you leave it on like a mask. You could wear it 10 minutes and then remove it. Or option three, you can add some water and kind of turn it into more of a milky cleanser and then remove it that way. So those are our three options. I'm going to go ahead and do option one and use my damp cloth to just remove it. Okay, you can see a little bit of dirt that's come off there, maybe some old makeup. There we go. And now we're going to follow up, if it's daytime, with the daytime moisturizer, and if it's nighttime, with the nighttime moisturizer. But because I want to show you both, we'll do half and half. So let's do the glowing one on this half of my face. This is what it looks like when it comes out. And this is a really good primer for makeup as well. So you can use it as a primer, you can use it alone as just your daily moisturizer, and you can use it as a highlighter. So once you have your makeup on, if you just want to add a little bit of glow to your skin, you can use it that way. Wow, it really does add that dewy glow, like instantly. I'm very impressed with that. Beautiful. So I'm loving that. Okay, so that half of the face has our dewy glow. This half just has been cleansed. Now let's do our midnight facial. This is a great one to put on every single night before you go to bed. It is so hydrating and it helps firm your skin as well. I also find that the smell of it is really, really nice. It's so soothing at night. Kind of gets you nice and relaxed and ready for bed. Glides on very easily. And this has vitamin C in it and some other anti-aging properties, which I love. Okay, so now we have the face half and half so you can really see that difference. Again, the glow is just stunning. You could wear this in lieu of wearing makeup, or again, it works as a great makeup primer. And then over here, your skin is nice and hydrated. It feels firm and you are ready for bed. So I love that this kit comes with two great options for day and night, and then your cleansing Pro Collagen Balm as well. And then of course that extra bonus of the cutest bag. So this is awesome, whether you want it for yourself or to get one to give to someone as a gift. It's amazing.